Hi, I'm Holly, and welcome to Savvy SLP Solutions, where I help speech language pathologists to work smarter and not harder. In this video, I'm going to break down some of the new changes coming to our CPT codes. But first, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, and be sure and share it with your SLP friends. So, what are these changes? January 1st, the CPT code that we have for one-on-one individual sessions for speech therapy, the 92507, is going away. In its place, we're going to get 5 distinct codes for the different services that we provide one-on-one. We'll have a code for fluency, one for speech sounds, one for language, another code, this is interesting, for speech sounds and language combined in one session, and then we'll have a voice and resonance code. Another major change is time. So individual treatment codes will be based on a direct one-on-one treatment time, beginning with the base code of 30 minutes and add-on codes for additional time. I hear you asking, what about groups? Well, the 92508 code isn't going away. No change there. So what do? Well, first of all, don't do anything yet. Keep using your 92507 and 508 codes. Um, be on the lookout for information coming about this. Your employer, your district may be notifying you, training you, or just informing you on the code changes. Start paying attention to those kids that you serve one on one and plan ahead as to which codes you may need to use. You'll also want to be sure when the January 1st, 2027 date hits that you're going to be using the right code and that your documentation matches that code. Pay attention to any sessions that you provide RTIC and language combined in one session. And don't panic about the groups. Thank goodness that's not changing. Um, talk to your district about how they're going to handle this new change and be on the lookout for any training from them. Well, if you want to read the full article from Ash's site, I'll post that down in the description below. And thanks for watching the video. Until next time, bye.